everyone! Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite products, the P3 vacuum cleaner from PRETTYCARE. Depending on what you're cleaning, you can adjust the telescopic pole to be 32 inches up to 41 inches. It has a really handy digital screen display that shows the power level, 2 suction modes, a filter clogged alert, and it also alerts you when the dust cup is full. For high suction mode, the blue LED strip will turn into a purple color. It has an LED headlight that rotates 270 degrees, 180 degrees left and right, and 90 degrees up and down, so you can clean really easily in the dark and under tables or under the bed. It has a 2-in-1 brush, crevice nozzle, and electric floor brush that can be exchanged randomly to clean the floor, carpet, sofa, curtains, car, bed, anything you can imagine. The floor brush head works really well on hard floors and on carpets or rugs. The crevice nozzle is great for hard to reach spots, like this crack in between my floorboards. The 2-in-1 brush got this glitter off of my car mats really easily. It has a 45-minute runtime after charging and 4-stage HEPA filtration with a washable and replaceable HEPA filter. PRETTYCARE products are guaranteed for 3 to 5 years with a 30-day return if you're dissatisfied, which I don't think you will be, and a 90-day warranty for free replacement parts. 24-hour Amazon customer service available at any time. I hope you guys enjoyed checking out this awesome product. I absolutely love this vacuum. It works so well.